Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Real English Conversation. I'm Adam.
And I'm Eve. It is so good to have you here with us today. How are you doing, Adam?
I am doing well, Eve. I'm feeling relaxed. And you?
I am great. I am excited about our topic today. It is a very requested topic.
Yes. Today, we are talking about dating after divorce.
This is a big life change. Many of our listeners are starting a new chapter.
Exactly. Divorce is when a marriage ends. It is difficult. But dating is when you look for new love.
It can be scary, but also exciting. Today, we will learn easy English words to help you.
We will talk about your status, your feelings, and how to meet people.
And remember, we will speak slowly and clearly. This is a safe place to learn.
Before we begin, please click the like button and subscribe. It helps our community grow.
Are you ready? Let's take a deep breath. In and out. Let's learn English. First, let's talk about who you are now, your status. If you were married, but now the marriage is finished, you are divorced.
Divorced. D-I-V-O-R-C-E-D.
It is an adjective. You say, I am divorced.
After you are divorced, you are single.
Single. This means you are one person. You are not in a relationship right now.
Some people love being single. It means you are free.
Now, what about the person you are married to? We call them your ex.
You can say ex-husband or ex-wife, but usually we just say my ex.
Let's practice a sentence. My ex lives in another city.
Or I am friendly with my ex.
Listeners, let's practice speaking. I will say a sentence and you repeat it. Ready?
I am divorced.
I am single now.
I have children with my ex.
Great job. Your pronunciation is getting better. Now, let's talk about emotions. How do you feel about dating? Many people feel nervous.
Nervous. This means your hands shake. Your heart beats fast. Boom, boom, boom.
It is normal to be nervous. You haven't dated in a long time.
But maybe you feel ready.
Ready. This means you are prepared. You want to do it.
I am ready to meet someone.
There is a great phrase for this situation. Back on the market.
Oh, I like that idiom. Back on the market.
It means you are available again. Like a house for sale or fruit at the market.
I am single and back on the market.
But Adam, what if you are nervous? What should you do?
You should take it slow.
Take it slow. This is very important. Do not hurry. Let's practice these feelings. Repeat after us. I am a little nervous.
I am ready to date.
I am back on the market.
Good. Being honest about your feelings is important.
Okay, Adam, you are ready. You are single. How do you meet people?
In the past, we met at parties or work, but today, most people use apps.
Yes, dating apps or online dating.
You need to make a profile.
A profile. Profile. This is your page. It has your photo and information.
On your profile, you write a bio. A bio is a short text about you.
Keep your bio simple. I like cooking and travel. I am kind and funny.
And you need a photo. Please use a nice photo. A smile is best.
When you see someone you like on an app, you can match.
Match. It means you like them and they like you.
Then you can chat. You send messages. Hi, how are you? Listeners, let's try a drill. Imagine you are making a dating profile. Repeat these sentences. I am making a dating profile.
This is a nice photo of me.
I want to meet someone nice.
Excellent. Online dating is very popular now. Don't be afraid of it. You matched with someone. Now you have a first date. Where should you go?
For a first date, go somewhere public.
Public, like a coffee shop or a park, somewhere with other people. This is for safety. Yes, coffee is the best first date. It is short, it is cheap, it is safe.
If you don't like the person, you can leave after one coffee.
What do you talk about?
Keep it light. Talk about hobbies. Talk about food.
Do not talk about your ex for 1 hour.
Yes, that is a rule. No angry stories about the ex on the first date.
Ask questions like, what do you do for fun? Do you like this city?
Simple questions are the best. Okay, Adam, let's put everything together. We will do a longer role play.
Okay, context. I am your friend. You are showing me your new dating profile. So Eve, you said you are back on the market?
Yes, I finally downloaded a dating app. Look at my profile.
Oh, nice photo. You look very happy there.
Thanks. I was nervous to post it. Does my bio look okay?
Let me read it. Hi, I am Eve. I am divorced and ready for a new chapter. I like hiking and coffee. It's perfect, simple and honest.
I actually have a match already. His name is John.
Really? Did you chat with him?
Yes, he is funny. He asked me to meet for coffee this Saturday.
That is great. Coffee is safe. It is a public place.
Exactly. I want to take it slow. Just coffee. No dinner yet.
I am proud of you, Eve. You seem ready.
Thanks, Adam. I am a little scared, but mostly excited.
What a great conversation.
Yes, dating after divorce is a journey. It takes time.
Let's recap the big words from today. Divorced and single. Your status. Back on the market. Available again. Profile and match. Online dating words. Take it slow. Don't hurry.
You are doing amazing work. Listening to this podcast is a big step.
Now we have our question of the day. We want to hear from you.
Where is the best place for a first date?
Do you like a coffee shop, a walk in the park, or a museum?
Tell us in the comments. The best place is...
Thank you for spending 30 minutes with us. Good luck out there.
You can do it. See you next time. Bye.